Riju, my view is the beauty of our country today is anybody can aspire to be the leader of the country. Anybody can aspire to be the Prime Minister of India, including your leader, Mamata Banerjee. Today, no leader can be physically blocked, physically attacked, physically threatened. Effectively, you are basically saying we close the doors of this part of the country to a person from this part of the country. Can we allow this? This is why. This is not an emoji matter, viewers. Please, please, I say tonight to you, viewers, please tell everyone here watching to join in the debate tonight. This is about the future of this country. And Rahul Gandhi is sitting somewhere in Italy. Navjot Singh Sidhu said he is having some secret meetings in Italy. I don't know why you need to go to Italy to do secret meetings. I don't care. But the question is, this is not anarchism anymore. Okay, and this is endangering the life of the Prime Minister of India. And tomorrow, if you endanger the life of the Prime Minister of India, you will then endanger the life of all the Chief Ministers of India, of all the ministers of this country. And if political parties begin to exult at a physical threat to the life of other fellow politicians, I don't know what trend we are setting off. Riju. Yes, Riju.
Yes, thank you. Yes, first of all, I want to say it on record that the security of the Prime Minister of India is sacrosanct. You know, that cannot be compromised. But I will also jog your memory, because you are in this game for a very long time, Mr. Goswami, that few years ago in Uttar Pradesh, BHU students blocked the cavalcade of the Prime Minister. He changed the route and everything was fine, because that is a BJP-run state. Why this drama in Punjab? The bottom line is, you know, people of this country...
No, I want to take you on the point of drama. Allow me. No, but I object to the use of the word, so I want to remain fixated on that word, Riju. And I want to remain fixated on that word. And I'll tell you my view, I want our country's politics to be mature enough to a point, 1 minute, where whether it's a Trinamool leader or a BJP leader, where there is a threat, physical threat to any leader, okay, you will not dismiss it as drama. And neither will you say, oh, we have proved the point. The farmers have proved the point. How have farmers proved the point? Before you come in, let me just get in Dr. Sunny Ahluwalia. How have farmers proved the point? Some lumpens,
no, you have
dangerous.
time to answer. You cannot just interrupt and cut.
No, but I'm asking you. You use the word. You use the word drama. Okay, explain the word drama. Okay, explain the word drama. Then I'll come in.
So let me finish before you.
Yeah, but you can't make a subjective phraseology like that. You said drama. Is it drama? The life of the Prime Minister of India has been threatened, and you as an Indian citizen are calling it drama.
There are two narratives here.
There's no narrative. There's a reality.
One narrative is the Prime Minister's life is at stake, and you know, there's no. The reality is, out of 70,000 seats in Firozpur, only 700 was in attendance. Captain Amrinder Singh gave his speech.
Then your Congress party should have allowed Prime Minister to go there. Why did they block the path?
True story.
Why did they got the path blocked?
He saved his face.
Why did they got the path blocked?
This was a publicity stunt to save his face.
If what you're saying is right, then why did they block the path? Why did they allow the farmers to come and block the path? Why did the DGP say the path is clear?
Were there are no other routes? How many routes does an SPG decide for a Prime Minister? Do you know, sir?
You're factually wrong, Riju. Riju, I'll tell you where you're wrong. Can I come on the right? Can I come on the right instead of pictures? 1 sec. I want to come in and I want to make a point. 1 minute. 1 minute. Riju, on the right, please, quickly. I want to make a point. Riju, 1 minute. Just wait. 1 minute. Riju, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. Correction for you coming in from me. You said, wait a minute, no? You said, how is this the only route decided for the Prime Minister by the SPG? For your kind information, and this is where you have proven my point. The route has been decided and approved as a contingency route by the Punjab police. Do you understand? So do you realize the level of the conspiracy now? The Punjab, no, 1 minute, allow me to complete. Punjab police clears the route and the Punjab police says, Mr. Prime Minister, don't worry. Wait a minute. Punjab police says, Mr. Prime Minister, don't worry. We have sorted it out. Please take this route and please go for your rally. We are guaranteeing the safety of the route. and then the trucks are brought in and the Prime Minister's route is blocked. So who do you question, Punjab Police or Prime Minister Modi? Be logical. Be logical.
One second. In the SPG protocol, Blue Book protocol, Mr. Goswami, you have been in this game a long time. Is there a warning car which goes 5 minutes ahead of the PMO's cavalcade? Yes or no? Was there any reply from the warning car that there is blockade on the road? Please
Okay,
don't give it a spin of a conspiracy.
1 minute. First of all, again I am telling you, 1 minute. Can I come back on this? 1 minute. First of all, Rishi Riju, shouting does not make you right. First of all, I have not been in any game. For you, all of this is a game. I am not in any game. I am taking the matter extremely seriously. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. His security and life has been threatened. You better take it seriously, and I am telling you, please understand.
The Prime Minister's life is at safe.
Yeah.
The Prime Minister's life is completely safe. The BJP leader Narendra Modi went back to Delhi to save face. That's the story.
Riju, I think
Don't
that is so. Okay, now I'll have to block. I'll have to respond to you. 1 minute. You know, it's so unfortunate, and that's where I want Dr. Sunny Ahluwalia. For me, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, and I think if today we start saying, you know, the Prime Minister is safe, the BJP leader called Narendra Modi. Look at the choice of words, Ramneek, what he says. The BJP leader Narendra Modi is...
It is the TMC which has started this in country. It's the TMC, West Bengal government, led by TMC, which started this in country. When leaders from other party come to the state, they do this in their state. And now the Congress has taken cue from there.